Paris.
Anna Paris.
Yes, Sky.
Edie Sugars.
No, Sky.
Tinny Lights.
No, Sky.
Mouth.
Are you having fun, anak?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you like the water?
My kid gave daddy glasses.
Daddy glasses?
Yes.
Did Daddy ask you to bring glasses? For him?
Yes, please.
Hang on. How about drink water first?
Mommy,
Yes.
I didn't drink water.
Drink water first so you can go back there. A little bit more?
Yes. A small one.
Okay, small one. Enough?
It's enough, Mommy.
Okay.
Wow.
Where are you going?
Train.
Train? Are you catching a train?
Wow.
Yay!
Moana,
Play.
make way.
Git na. Where's the sun na? Where's the sun?
Alright, son.
Let's go. Good morning! Welcome back sa ating channel, guys. It's early. Hindi naman early na ngayon. Uy, 11 o'clock na yata. Ayan, so kakalabas lang namin sa hotel namin. And we are on our way to... Where are we going, Bob?
One inside.
Hang on. Mag-cross muna kami ng road, guys. Kasi baka ano tayo dito. So, we are on our way to the train station, guys. Kasi pupunta kami ng Morningside. And, what was the other one ba?
Morningside and Tripuri.
Oh, yeah, yan. Kasi, yun yung mga lugar na gustong i-check out ni Daddy Mike, diba? Kasi nga, we plan to move here. And, habang nandito kami, magtingin-tingin kami ng mga area para may idea kami kung saan namin gustong mag-move. So, diba, gamitin na lang namin yung time habang nandito kami, guys. Para magtingin-tingin. Ooh, sobrang dilim. Magti-train lang kami. Itong bata na ayaw maglakad. Go, go, go. Malapit lang, guys, oh. Nandito na kaagad yung station. Is that your train, Paris? We're sitting down. Nandito kami ngayon sa Morningside. Anak, wait for mommy, anak. Anak, wait here. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh, meron silang santan. No? Tropics talaga, tropics. Kasi the same yung bulaklak nila sa atin ba? Where you going? May kausap yung dali niya sa phone. Anak, here! We're gonna go to the cafe. Baba! The cafe is there. Come! Careful! Oopsie daisy! You have to cross the road. Too strong? Come. Hold mommy. Hold mommy. Hold on. Hold mommy. No. Yes, Paris.
Anna Paris.
Yes, Sky.
Edie Sugars.
No, Sky.
Tinny Lights.
No, Sky.
Mouth.
Push na, nak. Nak, push.
You are not.
Yeah. Down, please.
Down?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Ayan, guys. Yung tita ko, guys, hinintay kami sa baba kasi di ba nga may dinner kami. We're going to meet some more family, relatives today. Kaya, ayan. Si Daddy Mike hinintay pa namin. Yung magaya nagmamadali. Nak, show me your outfit, Nak, be. Wow. So beautiful. So beautiful. Uy, put it on because Tito Anthony likes that. We're here. Guys, after 9 years, kaabot na jud me.
I don't know if you like that one. Alright, just eat first.
Good morning! It is the day after. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Hindi ko natapos yung vlog yesterday, guys. Kasi after naming nagtingin-tingin ng yung places na gusto naming ang tawag dito, kung saan gusto naming bumili ng bahay. Basta guys, na-busy lang si ate yun. Kasi after that, pagkarating namin dito sa hotel, yung tita ko rin, tinawagan ako guys kasi pipick upin na nila kami. Kasi nga diba na-mention ko na meron pa akong isang tita pa dito na hindi ko pa na-meet. So, pinick up kami ng tita Christine ko. Tapos, dinala kami sa kanila, kay tita Nancy. And then, chika-chika doon, hindi ako nakapag-vlog. And then, pumunta pa kami sa bahay ni na tita Christine kasi minit pa namin yung asawa niya kasi first time ko rin ma-meet. And then, tsaka na kami pumunta sa bahay ng tito ko para maghapunan. So, late na kami nakarating doon, mga 7 o'clock, 7:30 or 8, ganyan. And then, umuwi kami dito guys, mga 11 o'clock na nung pagdating namin dito. So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog, kaya ngayon lang natin tatapusin. So, mag-check out na pala kami ngayon guys. It is, what day is it today, Bob? Wednesday? Thursday?
Wednesday.
I'm out of track.
Alright.
Yeah, I don't even know anymore guys. So, mag-check out kami ngayon. Pupunta na kami ng Gold Coast. So, we are going to catch the train from here to Gold Coast. Chinek namin before. It will take an hour and a half sa train. So, yeah, anak. Come here, anak, babe. Morning, morning. Anak, come here. Sabi sa tito. Come on, Josh. Come on, say kay tita ang tito. So, update lang tayo guys sa may nalakad namin kahapon. We like the place. Daddy, did you like Morningside yesterday?
Yeah, a lot.
Yeah. So, it's pretty quiet. Like, it's very parang family, homely talaga yung vibes na nakuha namin doon. So, we were just walking around parang just to get the feeling kung ano yung lugar.
Do you need this?
Yes. And, yeah, we really like the place. So, nag-usap na kami ni Daddy Mike, guys, kasi nga, it's very challenging sa amin ngayon because we are applying for the house loan for the mortgage. And because I am going on maternity leave by the end of June, it's very tricky kasi yung finance side, diba? Kasi mas maganda talagang mag-apply kapag dalawa yung income. We are based in Melbourne and gusto namin bumili ng bahay dito sa Brisbane. And mahirap naman kapag nasa Melbourne kami tapos hindi namin makikita yung bahay. And we can't come here all the time to check yung mga listings, yung mga openings, yung mga ganun. Kasi it's very expensive na pabalik-balik din kami, diba? Especially kaming tatlo. And also, mahirapan na rin ako guys kasi pagdating ko ng mga 30 weeks or 32 weeks ganyan, hindi na pwedeng bumiyahe sa aeroplano, diba? Kasi yung mga airlines, pinagbabawal na yung ganyan. Kasi just in case na mga naka sa aeroplano, ganun. So, yung time, very talaga guys, like, sobrang daming factors na parang nahihirapan kami na magbili ng property nga namin dito. So, Daddy Mike decided na daw kahapon yung kausap niya sa phone nga, anong tawag dito? Buyers, what was that about? Buyer's agent. Ayan. Kasi may mga real estate agents. So, sila yung mga nagbebenta ng mga properties, diba? So, meron ding mga buyer's agent. So, sila yung nag-a-act para sa amin. So, while we're in Melbourne, nandito sila yung titingin ng properties for us, sila yung parang magpe-present sa amin kung ano yung mga available na mga places na parang pasok sa criteria namin when it comes to, you know, sa bahay namin. But I told Daddy Mike, guys, kasi parang hindi ko kasi feel, guys, na yung ibang tao yung anong tawag dito, yung ibang tao yung titingin ng bahay namin, yung hindi ko talaga makikita in person yung bahay. And yeah, hindi ko lang feel, guys. What do you think? Pero maganda naman dun, guys, kasi nga hindi naman sa binibenta talaga nila, parang ipupush nila yung bahay sa amin. Parang ipipresent lang nila. So they're just acting in behalf of us kasi nga wala kami dito. So sila yung parang bibili for us. But, ewan ko, guys, sabi ko nga kay Daddy Mike, I don't know, hindi ko alam. Kasi, sobrang mahal pa ng fee. How much was the fee, ba?
12 grand.
Oh, there you go, yeah. $12,000, guys, yung fee. So, hindi ko alam, guys, ano na, we'll keep you updated kung ano yung magiging, decision namin, kung ano yung gagawin namin. But, so far, we are loving Brisbane. Are we? Are you, Daddy? Yeah. So, alright, we gotta go.
Okay, stop for sure.
Because it's so silly.
So silly. What did the robot say?
It's a ding ding.
Oh, ding ding like that?
Yes, again.
Again.
Rabba, 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 rabba,
Ay, gosh.
rabba, rabba, like that.
Like that. Where are you going now?
No.
You don't know? To the new house. Ayan, guys. So, nakapak na lahat.
Mama,
Ayan.
I'm saying the bye-bye to the house I now go.
You're saying bye-bye to?
The house.
The house? Okay, bye-bye, house. Say
Yeah,
bye-bye.
after get out, I just say bye-bye.
Okay, yeah, when we get out, you say bye-bye, okay?
After say cheese, I can go outside. I can say bye-bye to the house.
Yeah, okay. We will say bye-bye to the house.
Hey, look, Mommy, you got sight.
What is that? Is that flower?
It's a flower and if I say inside
Look where you're going, Paris. Gaga,
Happy, Mommy.
is it heavy? You'll be fine. You're a strong girl.
No, I'm happy.
Can I carry it away? Watch out, guys. Mommy, watch out, watch out.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Time check tayo. It's now 1:15. And nandito na kami sa Gold Coast. Nak, welcome to Gold Coast, Paris.
Welcome to the Gold Coast. Say that.
Welcome. And kakarating lang namin, guys. Oh my God, I'm so freaking tired. Anyways, ito yung room namin. Maliit lang siya, guys. Ayan. Pero yung view namin is super ganda. Ayan. So, that's a building outside. And that's the beach there. See, you can just walk.
Bye.
That's the beach.
Yeah,
See, sobrang linaw ng tubig. Ayan. So, just a quick tour. Aming room. See? See the beach? There's a couch there. This is our bed.
It's a Lego cup.
Mirror. There. Nak, show me the bath. Come on. Show us the bath. Where's the bath?
Outside.
Meron silang parang ano yung gusto kong mag-work. TV. Some message there from the ano.
Oh, what's it?
Oh, is that your bath?
Yes, this is my new box.
Is that your new bath?
Yes, you got 10.
Here's the bathroom.
Daddy, you got 10.
It's a light.
Wow.
It's a light. Do you like it?
You got
Yeah,
10.
they get free shampoo, conditioner, good.
It's a toilet.
It's a toilet. Is it a toilet?
This new toilet.
It's a new toilet. Good. Sobrang liit lang guys. So ayan. Yung mirror. Lagay yung mga gamit dyan. Dyan. That's it. That's just the whole room.
Oh!
Sobrang liit niya kumpara doon sa yung iniwan namin na isang hotel, but yun, ito lang naman talaga yung space na kailangan namin. Itong dalawa very excited na kasi gusto na nilang pumunta ng beach agad guys. Oh my god, ako sobrang tired pa ako guys. It's around 1 hour on the train ba?
Yeah, an hour, exactly.
Yeah, an hour on the train. Tapos we got the Uber from Helensville station to here, which is about 25 minutes.
Oh,
Drive.
that's a very.
You got lots of remote, honey?
I'm gonna smash that beach.
Mommy!
Still too hot though. Can you wait a little bit? Come on. Woohoo! Are you having fun? Hey, Josh! Are you having fun, anak?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you like the water?
My chicken glasses?
Daddy glasses?
Yes.
Did Daddy ask you to bring glasses for him?
Yes, please.
Hang on. How about drink water first?
Mommy,
Yes.
I like drink water.
Drink water first so you can go back there. Wait. You need the glasses. Did Daddy say bring the glasses? The sunnies? Careful, ha? May nauutusan na guys. Hi guys! Time check tayo. It's now 5:30 ng hapon, gabi. Parang madilim na sa labas guys. It's only 5:30. Lalabas kami kasi maghahaponan kami and nakabook kami ng ng restaurant at 6:45. So may time pa kami para maglakad-lakad. Sorry guys, it's very messy here. Anak! Baba! Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ayan, dalhin namin kayo guys para share namin sa inyo kung ano yung i-dinner namin. But that is the ocean. Ayan. So that's what it looks outside now. Ayan. Holiday ang feeling ng mag-ama, oh. Careful, anak. That's Q1 na building. Malapit lang dito yung kakainan namin, guys. Ay, Paris kanimo. That's where we're staying, guys. Oh. Yan. A little bit more?
A small one.
Okay, small one. Enough?
It's enough, Mommy.
Okay. All good?
Yeah.
Finish it? What is enough?
It's
Nakauwi na kami, guys. Tingnan niyo ang ating baby girl, oh. Bumili ng slime at naglalaro by herself. Do you like your slime, anak? Andyan yun yung slime. Time check tayo, guys. It's actually 8, ano na ngayon? 8:38 ng gabi. And, yeah, sobrang hagardo bersosa na si atin nyo, guys. So, mapula na yung mata ko. We're gonna go have a rest now. Anyway, siyan na natin yung vlog dito, guys. Thank you for watching today's video. And yesterday's video kasi pinagsama na natin. But yeah, I'll just do a quick shout out to Fe Guarnes, Amelita Balajay, Alexis Jade Jordan, Vicky Inot, Ruby De La Rosa, Janzi Pinay Australia, Riz Chano, Ifigenia Zarate, Paulina Kines, Rina Merica Huerta, Odessa Donghil, Emmy Garcia, Helen Abiertas, Joanne Ambe, Nori Aliada, Elena Rosulis, Jean Bagsik, Cherry May Ungayo, and Rosalie Galang. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Knock thumbs up. Knock thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye-bye.
bye.